So he's a civilian now. He climbs into the vehicle and the police vehicle, and he's driving the police vehicle into the premises.
Is this the vehicle that you said was Stolz's?
It's Stolz's official vehicle that's been assigned to her. Stolz is the lady that walks now here in the front.
Sorry, please say that again.
Stolz, the lady walking towards Oom Willem now, that is Kersha Lee Stolz.
She and a member of the EMPD.
She was a member of the EMPD till she resigned.
Okay.
And then the individual with his back to us is the one I assume is Oom Willem, because they speak about him and that he's the one being accosted on the premises.
Okay.